Good late evening, welcome back in another video, and I am here to tell you how my days goes today, and I will tell you everything. So just wait and listen. And so starting from morning, I wake up around 7 because Vaibhav, my old roommate of first year, he came to my room and he said, "Let's go to any temple, that a temple which is in our nearest to our campus, and a temple which is easy to pour water on our Shivji." So we have only one temple in this condition, and that is on back of our campus on back gate. So because of because of Vaibhav, I woke up around 7 a.m. and after planning this, I again go for sleep because I am feeling very sleepy. But after 2 minutes, I thought let's wake up, not waste time because I not going to deep sleep. So I thought let's wake up and utilize time and let's do something for Mahadev and for ourselves as well, because if we do for Mahadev, then Mahadev do for so much thing for us. So after waking up, I immediately go for press and bath. After bathing, practice 30-minute yoga, and after yoga, I go for breakfast. And in breakfast, as we have a very many students which are having a fast on the occasion of Mahashivratri, so because of that, mess manager considered this and he also provided additional facility apart from regular mess schedule. So in this, for fast student, they avail milk and pair of bananas, and regular schedule is of gram fried gram along with halwa. So I eat banana, milk, and rice gram fry gram. So I use these all things because I not having a fast, and I take the bananas. I thought let's use it later, so I drink one cup of milk and fried gram and halwa. I don't eat pear banana. I take it and take to it room for further use. So after that, I ready for temple and start revising differential equation, because Babu said that let's go to temple on 10 a.m. So I prepared and I start revising, and when Babu came to my room, then I thought this, but at 9:45 a.m. I go to Babu room and same I said to him, let's go. So after someone Vaibhav, we go to Ramanujan and we have so much friend of religious. So in this we have Hars, Kamlesh, Himanshu, Utkars, and we have only and one more person, that is Dibyans, old roommate of Tagore. So they are already, some are bathed, some not. So some said let's wait for 5 minutes, I come, hurry, just in 5 minutes. So we wait, and after waiting half an hour, we are all ready and we go to temple, and we go temple and purchasing milk and purchase one cup for everyone, and we successfully do our puja and our rituals, which we all do on Mahashivratri. And I pray there, and after that we come to our hostel. Yes, some of friends like Himanshu, Kamlesh, and Utkarsh go to Jharkhandi Mandir, and I not go Jharkhandi Mandir, and Vaibhav also not, because we know that in Jharkhandi Mandir we have to invest so much time. There is a very large line, and we have to wait more than 2, 3, 4 hours. Last year we go there on the occasion of Mahashivratri directly around 5 a.m., 6 a.m., and there is very long line. Yeah, last year we go with Vaibhav, Ravi, I, uh, Vedant, and Lalit. So we already visited last year, so we thought this time we don't go there. We make our pray from here only, and we may go later any other day, because today is impossible, or we have to invest so many hours and so much our energy in order to do puja in Jharkhandi Mandir. So our friend like Utkarsh, Himanshu and Kamlesh go there, but they also don't do their puja because they saw their line and they give up on first instance. So yes, these three goes to Jharkhandi Mandir, and I, Vaibhav and has came to hostel, and Divyans go to their friend room which he have that is Divas room, and Divas lived in outside of our Triple campus by private room. In private room, so the Divyans go to the Divas room, and I and Vaibhav and hers came to our hostel. After that, I will feel tired. After wasting an hour, I start studying. But after arriving 2 p.m., I go for lunch. And in lunch as well, we have fast facilities. So in fast, we have curd, kheer, banana, and fried potato. So I take 1 cup of curd, and because of that, and in regular schedule we have litti chokha along with dal. So we do this, so I eat these things, and after that I came to my room and start sleeping, and I woke up around 6 p.m. and after revising few topics, we have a time to go for outside, because today on the occasion of Mahashivratri we have no snacks and dinner by mess. So we go to outside and eat. I packed chili potato and I eat it at home. I don't like it, so I throw it after, and it costs around 50 rupees. So after doing these things and all these all about, and yes, in terms of get preparation, not as much as I want. I do network lecture and half signal lecture, and apart from that, little bit revision of differential and linear algebra. So plan for tomorrow is to firstly go to library and invest as much as possible. So I try to go library tomorrow onward. So maybe tomorrow onward my gate preparation come back on track. I think now I'm feeling on saturation. I am on in saturation region currently. I don't know how to I come out of this, but I try to, and my throwing my hand and leg to come out of this saturation region, so that my gate preparation come on track again, and I do pretty well in my preparation. So everything is planned, and maybe I done good tomorrow. And till now I'm signing off, and I also hope you are doing absolutely fine, much better than me. So I'm signing off. Meet you tomorrow again with high energy. Till now I'm signing off. Good night. Bye bye.